We are an independent design studio that invents and reinvents brand identities. See, design is very important because it's very critical nature of what every customer and every person interacts with. Design is such a central part of what we do. This is what we do at IdeaSpice. I think the critical difference for us is we've actually blended 4 key industries and pulled off something which we didn't think possible. We managed to stay boutique, which meant high creativity, a lot of fun, and without having any layers between the client's interaction with us. It's always the designers interacting.
It's a small studio, and but the kind of projects that we're doing, the massive projects, and as a graphic designer, it's like a huge experience for me to be working on projects of different scales, interacting with clients one-on-one.
If you don't like work that we did around 2 months back, that for us is a way to constantly keep check and make sure that every month, every day, the benchmark for quality keeps getting higher and higher.
Our process starts off on getting a brief from the client, and there is a process in between where we actually look at if there is a fit between the client and us. Then we get into the research part of it, understanding the business.
After which we do in-depth research on parallel clients, parallel companies that are doing similar kind of work. We put it together.
We don't really work as a design firm or as a branding firm. We literally work as their thought partner.
And we tell the client it's not about your taste or our taste. It cannot be about us, it's about your consumer. So right from the beginning we say it's not personal. It has to be a scientific process, and it has to be not an opinion-based process. So I guess the removal of subjectivity and getting it of science of business is what is the big distinction.
You get involved with the project at a certain level, So I think that is why seeing it through till the last minute, till it reaches the client's desk, is what I think adds to that joy of seeing your baby.
Right from the beginning, the idea was to create a place which was all heart. The whole vision was to create a place where we could make a difference for the clients.
So you're always excited to see something new and innovative coming your way when you're actually stepping into the office.
Working at IdeaSpice is not just about work, but it's about having fun while you're working more than just work.
Over time, we realized there were a lot of services the clients wanted from us, and instead of spreading ourselves thin, we decided to keep the core competence of IdeaSpice into branding, and we spun out other companies.
Me and Sajid, we came up together with an idea which will eventually make us one of the best exhibition producers here locally, and trying to expand our base internationally as well. That's how IdeaSpace was formed.
We have an interior division which does manufacturing called Spiceworks. We were very passionate about education. So then we tied up with the EMD and started a design school, which is now launched with 15 students.
IdeaSpice actually put together our brand, something that we had, in our own opinion, many ideas, but just had no idea. We wanted a company that would come in, deal with our requirements, and give us the brand that we wanted, not that the brand that somebody wanted to sell us. Subtly different.
Working with the IdeaSpice, it's a people who always help you in the last moment. I used to call them on Thursday and get the proposal on Friday night.
Something which is unique in them, which is probably different from different creative studios, would be their thought process. The ability to conceptualize and understanding a customer's needs. That's been a bigger strength for the organization.
I don't give guidelines to next thing. I tell them to do it and just get back to me, because I just trust them to do a good job. And my trust has paid off in the past 10 years because they've repeatedly done what I wanted. And
Everything matters, right from music to the coffee to a warm hello in the morning. All of it really puts it all together.
So we've got a pool table, we've got bunk beds, we've got so much of happening stuff at the office that you never feel depressed or you never feel, oh my god, it's going to be another day at the office.
When you come to work in the morning, you're not really coming to work. You're literally coming here to do something which you would enjoy doing.
मेरी पूरी जो टीम है वो एकदम फैमिली जैसी है. फैमिली, फ्रेंड्स, मतलब हम लोग काम के साथ फुल एंजॉय भी करते हैं और अच्छा काम करते हैं. I love coming to work because I don't come to work. Every day I wake up and go and do stuff which is fun. And if I were to take a break and have fun, I'd probably do what I do every day.